own present. And there's lots of different reasons. I've been curious about some of the different reasons we've heard so far.
I always assumed it was just a trust issue. You don't think anybody can buy for you as well as you can.
Hi, good morning. Who's this?
Brian.
Hey, Brian, you buy your own gifts. What's this?
This is Laura.
Laura, so you buy your own gifts?
Well, actually, my story is my father used to buy his own gift every year, and it was when he had 3 daughters and when we were older. What he bought was a big bottle of Jack Daniels, and he would wrap it and mark it from Santa, and we would all look around at each other and wonder who bought him that. And then he'd be snickering in the background, because, kind of snickering under his breath because he bought it for himself.
Well, there's a man that has his priorities in order.
And the reason he bought it for himself is because so many years